Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida requests to the government to take into consideration the following points with regards to the declaration of Kharivada as containment area. Mass testing to be conducted in the containment zone. Those who are tested positive to be shifted to the COVID centers so as to stop the spread and open up the zone. All the necessary food items, groceries to be distributed with proper planning. To ensure that both these things are carried out smoothly and with bare minimum errors, councillors of the particular wards can be delegated responsibilities. We can take insights from our past experiences with Mangur containment zone and streamline the process, says Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida.
Vasco, there are many cases of the virus COVID. So in view of that, the district magistrate has declared more areas as containment at Kharivada. I just want to request the administration three things. One thing is that mass testing has to be done immediately of the people, and people who are positive should be taken out from there. Otherwise it will become like Mangur, it will go for 2 months. Secondly, provision should be given to each and every household, and good provision. And thirdly, the local council should be taken into confidence. These are my three requests to the administration, to the collector, South Goa.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.